Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to transfer photos from Google Drive to Google Photos. And let's get started by open Google Photos application. Click at your profile icon at the right top and make sure that you turn on backup. You can do this right here by click turn on backup, or you can scroll down, click at the Google Photos settings, then backup and enable it here. After you enable backup, we can open Google Drive. So right here I have the folder with my photos, and let's say I wanna save all of them. I need to select them and then click at the three dots and download. Or if you want to save only one, click at this photo, then three dots and also download. But let me select it. So download. Hello. And now we just saved this photo to the galleries. And after that it will upload this photo to the Google Photos. And that's it. In the Google Photos we cannot in the Google Drive, we cannot share it to Google Photos. So if I'm trying to share it, as you can see, I can share it in the Google Drive. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!